Welcome to a hopefully successful devlog. The devlogs will be comprised of new or improved content in my latest project, Geometria. I've been developing the game since mid-2018, but only now started serious work on it. It's made in the Unity game engine, and as of yet, it's a open world RPG. Up to this point, I already have basic player movement. The animation is still a work in progress. We also have a basic enemy, though its AI is quite finicky and I'll need to fix it up in the future. We have a singular attack, but it's very finicky and breaks very easily. And I also have completely procedurally generated terrain using the Martin Cubes algorithm. Now, the terrain consists of floating islands that hover above a body of water. The water is just a simple vertex plane with a displacement shader on it. Hopefully the water's waves will be improved in the future once Unity adds tessellation to the shader graph. Now, the terrain is generated using a Perlin noise algorithm, which I found for 2D voxel island generation, and I modified it for my needs. The original concept looks a bit like this, consisting of two planes of noise, and depending on which one is above another, the area will either be space or island. Hopefully in the future I can get it to generate in chunks to make it more efficient and effectively infinite. Now, my AI is very basic, and the way it works is if the player is inside its field of view, then it will run towards them and attack. Else it will generate a random path which it will then loop through. It also has an idle stage, but I will have to implement a day and night cycle before I will use it. Oh, and today I finished my main menu UI. I added a weird pillar in the center of the scene and then added a bunch of spooky particles. The UI is actually just images which I made in a free Photoshop lookalike called Gravit Design. That's really everything interesting that has been made and improved on in the last 1.5 years. My goal for the next devlog is to have finished the menu by adding button functionality and sound. I also want to finish animating and scripting a new animal, which was not showcased in this devlog. Might show it off in the next video, but until then, thanks for watching.